like a truck.
Dad!
Seems like he's calling you.
So somebody's chugging the hooping crane right there. You go to my dad and saw some birds today. Oh, look.
Are there any birds
I
there?
cooked them snipe.
Did you cook them?
Fried them. Wow.
I
I'm impressed
I
with
don't
all
know,
of them.
bite-sized morsel.
Mm-hmm.
Did you debone them or just?
It's